This is AGA Forex. I'm back again with another awesome and wonderful strategy for this February. Happy new month to you all. And I'm using this medium to make sure I bring the best strategy for you this November. Because this strategy I'm going to give you, because some people told me that they have raised their capital with that two candle strategy, so they want another strategy that will be giving them more candles. Repeat after me: more candles. Okay, let's go. If you believe you can do this, just go below this video, right? I can do it. More candles. Okay. And at the end of this video, I'm going to do a giveaway, a special giveaway for the first 10 people, because last week I bought one EA, almost $200, I think. So my next video will be on that EA. My next or upper video will be on that EA. I'm not going to give out the EA for free. I'm going to give it out based on some conditions, but you are not paying anything. You are not paying a dime for that EA. But for the first 10 people that comment on this video that I need the EA, I'll just leave a description where you can just contact me on my Telegram. So I'll just forward the EA for you directly. That's for the first 10 people that comment I like the EA and I can do it. Simple, that's the rule. You just screenshot what you comment and forward to me on my Telegram. I'll leave a description for my Telegram channel below. So let's go. And I have another thing for you. At the end of this video, I'm going to share 3 basic secrets for you that will make you to win every strategy you have. And the reason why I'm posting a lot of strategies for you, I want you to have lot of strategies that you have that you can work with. At least at the end of the day, you can be able to find a reasonable one that can work for you. So let's go. This strategy is based on 2 conditions. What I said, 2 conditions. Please repeat after me. 2 conditions. Okay, let me tell you the conditions now. The first condition is for these 2 moving averages. For these two moving averages, these ones, this green and black. The first condition is for these 2 moving averages to cross each other. That's the first condition. You see, they cross each other here. So as they just cross, you will just mark where they cross. Let's here. You marked it. Then you wait for the second condition. What is the second condition? For these 2 moving averages to cross this red moving average as well. This is it. Look at it here. Please comment I like the video, because I'm giving you value here. I'm giving you value for free. Understand me? So the second thing is, you see, this is where they cross. As you just get this cross where these 2 moving averages, the green and the black, cross this red, my brother, just enter your buy market, because this is crash 500. This is crash 500. Enter your buy market. If you have big equity, you can hold the market for a long time. But if you have just $20, because this strategy, I'm advising you should be trading it only if you have an account that is at least $20 in your account. If you have grown your $5 to $20, so you use this strategy to be getting 30 candles every time you enter a trade. Okay, let me give you the instance. If it is me, as I just see this market, I will just go to 5-minute chart, observe my market again. You see, where am I? You see, as I'm seeing this market here, I'm 200% sure that this market will go off for a very long time, because we have two conditions. The market is below the 200 moving average, that's the blue moving average, this one, and the 50 moving average, that's the red moving average. So as I look at it here, I know the market will go long. See, this is 5 minute chart. Let's come back to the 1 hour the 1 minute chart, because this strategy, you are going to use it you are going to use 1 minute chart to trade it, and the zoom level is first zoom level. This is the zoom out. If you zoom out completely, so you just zoom out once, you see, this is it. So you are good to go. So assuming we enter our market from this point, you'll just target your 30 candles. If you are trading crash 500 or boom 500, you are just going to target 30 candles. 30 candles, that's $6. So on every trade, on every entry you get with crash 500 or boom 500, you will get what? $6, because 30 candles is 0.02, that's the lowest lot size, is what? Is $6. Let me show you why you put your take profit. Assuming we take from 95.42, let's add 30 candles, that's 95.70, 95 what is it called, 70, 72, 95.72 will be our take profit. This is our take profit, you see. So even though there are a lot of spikes, that's why I titled this strategy Fear No Spike. That's the name of this strategy. Fear no spike strategy. Fear no spike boom and crash trading strategy. Because in this strategy, even look at this now, how many spike caught us? 1, 2, but what? We still recover. So in this strategy, even if a spike caught you, you don't have any problem. The only thing is that just make sure you have a reasonable amount in your account, at least $20. At least $20. My friend, comment, like on this video, because I'm giving you value. So let's go. This is AGA Forex. Okay, we have entered the first position. You see how we take our profit despite the spikes, but still we conquer. That's the first one. Then if you want to exit the market here, after the market hit your take profit, you can exit and wait for another entry where these two conditions are met. The first condition, the green and the black moving average should cross each other. The second condition is the green and the black moving average to cross this red moving average. That's the second condition. Okay, let me tell you something. Let me give you something here. You see, as we enter this market, this is our entry. Look at it here. This is our entry. So as we enter here, even though the market makes two good spikes, but still the market did not reach our entry, that means we are still in profit, and the market do what? Market recovers. So let me show you another. This is another one. This is another good example. Let me show you here. You see, what are our conditions? Our conditions is when the two moving averages cross here. You see, they cross here. So, but in this point, in this case, after they crossed, it's not that okay. In this case, wait, let me move this thing up a bit so that I can be able to do it better. Okay, this is the first entry. Let me delete it since I can be able to put it again. Let me delete this one too. So you see, this is the first entry we treated and we take our profit. This is the second one. So the first condition on this second entry you will notice is that as far as the price is trading above this 200 moving average, this is the blue moving average, and what is the other moving average, and this what is it called, I'm sorry, and this red moving average, you look at them here, the price is above the 200 moving average and is above the 50 moving average. And what happened? The green and the black candles still cross. Look at it here. You see, you'll just enter. My brother, you'll just enter. Let me show you where you enter. You'll just enter, take your 30 candles and go. Imagine you enter where they crossed here. That's 95. Let's say you even enter 95, 95.70, 95.70. 95.70, 95.70. Where will be our take profit if we are taking 30 candles? It will be 9600. Let me show you. 9600 is our take profit. 9600. This is it. You see, this is our take profit. This is our take profit. You see, 9602, 9600. You see, this is our take profit. You see, so despite we have two spikes here. Sorry, it's just one spike. This is this. But despite these spikes, we have another small spike here. But the market went up and still hit our take profit. So assuming you know market structure very well, since this very first entry you enter here, if I'm the one, I know the market is here. If the market reach 20-25 candles, I'm not going to close it. But that's for me because I know what I'm doing. I know the market structure very well. But for you as a beginner, please, I advise you, anytime you take your 30 candles, please go out of the market and look for another entry. Come back to here again. You see another point here. You see the market is above the 2 moving average. When the market cross this up, you just okay. Let's see another entry here. I think a lot of entries here, lot of them. You always find entry, but what I want you to do is that, please, I take God beg you, always wait for the market to give you entry. Wait, you have to be patient with this strategy. You have to be patient, honestly. Okay, look at it here. You see the 2 moving average cross. I have to show you this one. It's a very good and awesome entry. You see the market crossed here. That's one. Second condition, the market second condition, the market crossed these 2 moving averages here. Look at it here. See, the market crossed between the 2 moving averages cross. That's the green and the black, and the market cross above the 2. You'll just take your 96.43. What will be our take profit? Will be 96.73. That's our take profit. 30 candles. In this strategy, you will just take 30 candles. Don't be scared. I know what I'm saying. Don't be scared. Even if spike cuts you, as far as the price is above this red moving average, that's the 50 moving average, and this blue moving average, that's the 200 moving average. Don't be scared. Don't be panic. The market will hit your profit. 96.3, 96.73. You see, after 2 to 3 spike here, this is first spike, second small spike, third small spike. But what, the market still hits your take profit. So that's one good thing you should understand about this strategy. I'm just wasting time on the boom 1500. Let me go and check another fee. You see, this is another one. This is another entry. You see, they crossed here. The market come and crossed here. The 2 moving average cross this red here. What happened? You take your 30 candles. 30 candles. I'm saying 30 candles. Please, if I'm giving you value, comment on this video, like and share this video, because this is February. I want you to finish the drive, or binary they are calling it. Because after this strategy, if you still lose in the market, my brother, you need testimony. You need to go and meet either your pastor or your malam. See another awesome strategy. You see this one. the market, they crossed here. What happened? You see, they still crossed this red and green here. My brother, just enter your 96.88. We will take 30. Let's say 96.90. Let's take 96.90. You see, 96.90. One take 30 candles. What will be our take profit? 97.20. You see, look at it here. 97.20. This is the best strategy I have ever released on this new year, and this is the best strategy you can ever found on YouTube. You see, this is your what? This is your first confirmation. If you see first confirmation, you have to wait. If you don't wait and just enter after the first confirmation, sometimes a spike can cut you. But if you just saw the first confirmation, my brother, just enter your market. Wait for the market to go and cross these red moving averages. These two moving averages, see it here, they crossed. What happened? You just enter your market, look for your target and go. Always look for 30 candles when you are trading the crash 500 and boom 500. You see, this is another. Okay, as it comes back here. So let's go and check crash 1000. Let's go and check crash 1000. You see, wow. But in crash 1000, the case is the difference is you will be targeting 60 or 50 candles. Let me see it here. Let me give you this example. You will target 60 candles. You will double the candles you are targeting on boom 500, or sometimes you can even go higher than that if you know the market structure very well. Let me give you what is our conditions. Our conditions is what? The first condition is the two moving averages will cross each other. This is it. That's the first condition. The second condition is the two moving averages should cross this red moving average. This is here. What happened? 160. That's our this thing, our entry. What will be our take profit? It will be 12,210 because we are targeting 60. Okay, 12,220 because we are targeting 60 candles. This is crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Let me mark the take profit for you. You see, this is crash 1000. 12,120. Wow, you see, look at it. You see, your entry here, your first confirmation here, second confirmation here, and what happened? The market go and hit your take profit. So if you are using 0.02, the smallest loss size on every entry, if you have just $20 account and you take this profit, my brother, if the market hit your take profit, you have $12. Cool, $12. How much is $12 in Nigeria? It's around 6,000. On every entry, you get 6,000. Every entry. Okay, assuming you got you got 5 entries from crash 1000 and boom 1000, and from crash 500 and boom 500 you get 5 entries. What happened? It's a very good. You can quit your job for this strategy. Bet me. I'm telling you. I'm telling you from experience. You can quit your job with this strategy. Very awesome. So let's look for another entry here. You see, as we did the first time, if the price is above the two moving average and there's a cross with the two moving averages, you'll just enter your buy. Look at it here. You see, what is our first confirmation? Our first confirmation is the price is above the two moving averages here, because here the market just. And what is our second confirmation? You see, and our second confirmation is, you see, the price is above this level and is above this level. See what happened? You'll just take your, sorry, because of time I want to round up this video. Because of time I want to tell you this. See, you'll just take here, from here and you target 12.1, you'll target 60 candles. You to go 12,300. Let me target 60 candles. 60 candles. My brother, don't be panic. Don't be scared. I can bet my life for you with this strategy because I've tested it. I've back tested it times without number. Okay, look at it here. The market did not hit our take profit, but probably, as I told you here, see our entry here, top 41. So the market reach here and it turns back. But let me tell you the exit point. Anytime you are trading and you notice these two moving averages, these two, this one, these two, this black and green, anytime they cross each other down, if you are buying, that means they should be going up. Anytime there is a spike and that spike make them to cross each other down, my brother, as they cross, if you don't know structure very well, as they cross, as far as the cross below, anytime they cross, I advise you to exit the trade. But if you want to be holding the trade, probably if they cross and you see the cross is above, is below this, the cross is not below this red moving average. This one I put my line here. You can hold. But if the price is below this two moving this 50 moving average, this red moving average, after the cross down, my brother, just exit your market. Because let me show you what happened here. You see, the first one here, it crossed the 250 moving average, but it's go up and recover. What happened? It crossed down again. See, this is not a small cross. So as far as I'm concerned, as I just see this thing, I'll just go out of the market, because this is the second cross the market make, and this is a very serious cross. It's telling you that the market is rejecting that point. The market is rejecting this resistance. What happened? The market come back here. As the market reach here and it crossed down again, and I see this cross, I'll just exit the market, because the market is forming what we call a head and a shoulder. You see, this is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, this is the head for those that are trading forex. So if you are using forex knowledge and attached to this one, my brother, you don't have problem. You see the market come down, you see it come down, you see what I'm telling you. You see, massive drawdown. So you can even use this strategy to catch spike. Anytime there's a spike. Okay, let this be for next video. So I told you the giveaway for the first 10 people that comment on this video that I want the EA and I can do it. They will just screenshot it. I'll leave my telegram link so that they can just contact me direct, and I'll give them the EA. I'm still back testing the EA and I'm still using the EA. I'm not going to release the EA probably till next 2 to 3 months after I finish back testing and I enjoying it. But for those that commented on this video that I want the EA, for the first 10 people, please, first 10 people, I'm going to share the EA with you. So you don't have much time, but let me just take one entry with crash 1000. Very, very good one. Look at it here. You see, look at it here. What is the first condition? The first condition is for the two moving average to cross here. Let me even start it from this point. This is the first condition, they crossed. What's the second condition? Is for them to cross this this red moving average. What happened? 1916, you target your 60 candles. You see how the market go down, and see this point where it cross and the price is below you see the cross here, and the price is what is below the 50 moving average. This is red, and the 200 moving average. So let me just be very fast and give you, because the settings, please, I'll be very fast and giving you the settings, so please, you can just screenshot it. All the settings are only moving average. The first moving average is period 50 shift 0 method smooth, apply to close, styles 4 pixel, color red. You can choose any color of your choice, is your own. The second one is moving black moving average. The period is 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel. You can change color red, black. You can leave the color and you can change it to your own, but I advise you leave the color so that at least as you are practicing you will get to some point where you will be able to maybe understand it better. Then you can change the color. The last one is, the second to the last is 25 moving average. That's the purple, the green. The period is 25, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel. The last one but not the least is the 200 moving average. My people, please, I want you to respect this 200. I will find time and show you how good it is to be trading with this 200 moving average, because it's the most important moving average in the forex market. In all the technical indicators, this is the most important one of all of them, the 200 moving average. So the period 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, pixel or 4 pixel, style 4 pixel, color dark blue. You can change it to any color you want. That's the settings. And the three things I say I will tell you that you need to do anytime you are going to, or you are trying to adopt any strategy. Number one, always try and understand what is the direction of the market, and you cannot know the direction of the market unless you use the 200 moving average. Anytime the market is below it, the market is in a longer downtrend. Anytime the market is above it, the market is a longer uptrend. Simple. And what is the second one? Enter the market at the right time. My brother, wait. That's what you see. Sometimes I will spend 2 to 3 days looking for entry, and I don't mind, because I know if I got a better entry, it will increase my profit margin. So always wait for a great entry. And the last one is use the candlestick analysis. My brother, if you don't know what is candlestick and you need more explanation about candlestick analysis, kindly go and check my YouTube channel. There's one video I discussed about candlestick, though I do it in Hausa, but very soon I'm going to adopt another one in English, so that for people that cannot speak my dialect can understand it better. So I think for now I'm done. Please make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. And for those that are going for that giveaway, just comment on this video, I want the EA and I can do it. Simple. I'll just send you the EA and send you some guides that you can use to start using the EA. This is AGFORE. Thanks. Bye.